how to buy SIG token on Bybit. So before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. So now, to be able to buy this token on your account, what you need to do, now tap on trade in the bottom, as you can see, in the bottom bar. Now, in the pair that you have, as you can see here, click on it that have USDY, USDT, now click on it. Now in the search, but before that, sorry, make sure to select the spot from the top bar. Now after that, click here, and now in the search for SIG like that. Now as you can see, we have two pairs. So we have the pair that have USDT, and as you can see here, so sorry, this is the USDT pair tool, so the same. So select this pair as you can see, and now scroll down like that. So as you can see here. So what you need to do after that, as you can see, so now you can now see the chart. Now tap on trade. Now here you can now buy this token. So what you need to do, just in the quantity, you can type the quantity that you want to buy. And as you can see here, the order value, this is how much you will pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy, and this token in a few seconds, it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy SIG token on Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.